Hi, I'm Gabe Derrick. Today we're going to go over how to assemble your submersible battery pack. This will apply to the 180 amp hour and 72 amp hour battery. What will be shown is the 180 amp hour battery pack.
Once you receive your shipment, it is good to perform the installation on a large clean surface. To begin, it is recommended that you label your batteries number 1 through 4 with a permanent marker. Batteries 1 and 2 are placed from left to right, positive, negative, and positive, negative. Batteries 3 and 4 are orientated from left to right, negative, positive, and negative, positive. With the battery label on the enclosure facing up, tip the enclosure back and install the batteries. We're going to install the batteries into the battery box starting from the bottom right, putting in batteries number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1. This is the correct battery configuration that must be obtained before moving forward with the installation. This is the battery management system that controls the charge sequence for all 4 cells. Each positive terminal of each battery cell will connect to the battery management system, as well as the negative terminal of battery number 4. These are the individual bus bars that link each 3.2 volt battery cell together into 12 volt configuration. To obtain 12 volts, install the 2 vertical bus bars. One will connect the positive terminal of battery 1 to the negative terminal of battery 3, and the other will connect the negative terminal of battery 2 to the positive terminal of battery 4. Each bolt should be fixed with the provided lock and flat washers prior to installation, and each positive terminal of the battery cell will connect to the battery management system via labeled cable. The positive terminal of battery 3 and the negative terminal of battery 4 will connect the entry plate and connector. Ensure that when tightening, all ring terminal connections orientate towards the middle of the grouped batteries. This will ensure there is room for the foam inserts to seat properly. Once all connections have been installed and tightened properly, your assembly should look like this. Next, you will install the foam. Insert the foam along the inside frame of the battery enclosure and place it underneath all associated wiring to ensure it stays in place. To seal the enclosure, tip the enclosure vertically, making sure the gasket is properly aligned and none of the wiring is pinched between the battery pack flange and the entry plate. To install the sealing bolts, each bolt should be fixed with a flat washer. Starting at the corners, install bolts to ensure proper gasket alignment. Then install all remaining bolts. To secure the bolts in place, install a flat washer and nut on each bolt by pushing down the head of the bolt and tightening. Ensure every bolt contains a nut. To finish the installation of your battery pack assembly, tighten each bolt to the recommended torque specification. Adjust the provided torque screwdriver to 30 inch-pounds, and using the additional provided tooling, torque all exterior hardware. Proper torque is achieved when you hear an audible click. Failure to torque exterior hardware to manufacturer's specification could potentially void the product warranty. It is important to charge each battery pack prior to its initial use. If you have any questions regarding this process, please feel free to contact us.